Welcome back to Doggo's Behavior. Today, we will be talking about factors that influences a dog's behavior. First of all, what is doggy behavior? So, dog behavior is the eternally coordinated responses of individuals or groups of domestic dogs to internal and external stimuli. So, let's jump right in. Okay, so factors of dog behavior. So, common dog behaviors could be influenced by two main groups. First is the role of nature, and the second is the role of nurture. The expression nature versus support was first mentioned by an anthropologist, Francis Galton. This hypothesis emphasizes the significance of natural qualities versus individual encounters. Behavioral characteristics of dogs may be the result of one or the other, or most likely both. There are numerous variables competent of affecting a dog's behavior, and they may have a genetic or environmental root. Moving on, this is how the role of nature influences a dog's behavior. The first one is genetic influences. A dog's behavior may be influenced by its hereditary baggage. If you mate two hyperactive dogs, there is a high possibility that you will have hyperactive puppies. Therefore, it is very important to deal with reputable breeders who temperament test their breeding pool. It may be very difficult to change the personality of a dog, which is wired deep into its gene. Next is influence of the breed. So Clive Wayne, an animal behaviorist at Arizona State University in Tempe, used data from over 14,000 dogs described in Seabark. The researchers gave each breed a score for 14 different behaviors and then searched for overall genetics similarities among breeds that had similar scores. For traits such as aggression towards strangers, trainability, and chasing, the researchers found that genes contributed for 60 to 70% of behavioral variations among breeds. Poodles and border collies, for example, had higher trainability scores, while Chihuahuas and Dachshunds had higher aggression towards strangers. Now that's finished. This is the role of nurture that could influence a dog's behavior. First one is experiences in the litter. First of all, the litter means a group of young animals born to an animal at one time. A sentence example is a litter of 5 kittens. The litter plays a big factor in the upbringing of a puppy. A very large litter may mean that mother dog may have a hard time in taking care of all of her pups. This may influence future behaviors. A puppy learns very much from its litter mates and mother. This is why owners are told to get a puppy only after it has reached 8 weeks. As an example, a puppy who tends to nip a lot may have missed being taught proper bite inhibitions, something the owner will have to teach 20 bite marks later. Next is the socialization window. Puppies will undergo a critical phase in puppyhood between 4 weeks and 4 months. During this phase, puppies must learn as much as they can about the world around them. Exposing your puppy to as many people, pets, noises, and places will help your puppy grow into a stable dog that does not react much to new people or sounds. Lack of proper socialization may cause behavior problems such as anxiety or aggression. The third one is role of health. This one plays a huge role in behavior. A healthy mind is in a healthy body. For this reason, dogs affected by sudden behavioral problems should be seen by a veterinarian. Some forms of aggression may be linked to health problems such as low thyroid levels. Dogs who have pain may also become grumpy and prone to behavioral changes. Dogs on certain medication may also undergo behavior changes. According to Animal Wellness by Carol Osborne, DVM. Canine cognitive disorder occurs in older dogs and it is similar to dementia in humans. It can cause distinct behavior and personality changes. Dogs may become confused, disoriented, restless, anxious, and foggy and depressed. They may forget their house training and start having accidents in the house or unable to respond to familiar cues such as come or sit. Next one is environmental effects. Here the owner plays a big role in this one. Litters of puppies raised in the dark, garages with no sensory stimulation may be effective for life. Dogs abused or may be spoiled may also undergo behavioral changes. If a dog has bad experiences, it may become fearful and defensive. Whereas if it has many good experiences, his confidence will grow and grow. The environment may also play a big role in a dog's behavior, and it may help dogs born with bad genes, or it may turn bad dogs blessed with good genes. So, final thoughts on this. As you can see here, multiple factors come into play in shaping a dog's behavior. Well-raised puppies coming from reputable breeders are usually like balls of Play-Doh. You can shape their behavior and turn them into extraordinary beings, or you can ruin them by neglecting them or abusing them. While the debate of nature versus nurture remains open, it must be recognized that owners often remain primary factors when it comes to dog behavior. So, puppies are in most cases born good. It is how they are raised and cared for that may ultimately make a difference. That's it, and as for our next video, we will be talking about the meaning of common dog behaviors. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.